After a bit of a break over Christmas, I'm back on the VTi. Picked up a brand new AC Delco battery along with a new Honda battery tray, battery stay and the metal rods. The install was straightforward and it looks really clean in the engine bay. It's ready for testing power to all the electrics. Most of the brackets on the car were looking tired, so they were sandblasted and powder coated in metallic silver. Not only do they look great, they'll also be more durable than the factory zinc coating. Was also able to source a brand new set of Honda hubcaps. The handbrake body is raw steel and prone to surface rust, so I cleaned it up and hit it with rust guard for protection. The wiper assembly was sandblasted and powder coated in metallic silver as well. It'll be much more resistant to corrosion. The wiper cowl got a refresh too, with new Honda rubber ends and clips. Foam tape underneath had deteriorated, so I removed the old residue and applied fresh tape. Fitment was smooth and it looks great. The steering rack has been installed, but I forgot to show it after the refresh with new paint and new rubber boots. I also topped up the grease so everything keeps moving freely. I fully disassembled the sunroof, cleaned out all the grime, refreshed the seals with silicone grease, applied fresh grease on the runners, and carefully reassembled it. It's come up like a brand new sunroof. The original firewall insulation had seen better days, pretty common on a 30-year-old Civic, so I decided not to reuse it. Instead, I installed a modern layer of adhesive sound deadening, then added an adhesive-backed rubber foam over the top. It even handled a high heat test with the heat gun, so I'm confident it'll hold up. The backing made it a bit tricky to install. Once it's down, it's properly stuck. It should be as good as, if not better, than the original Honda insulation. The metal bracket for the Hondata-equipped ECU was sandblasted and powder coated in satin black. The pedal boxes are also raw steel, so they got sandblasted and finished in metallic silver. The OEM black coating on the clutch pedal had some corrosion, so that got a blast and a fresh satin black coat. I originally planned to use the OEM rubber pedal covers, but I decided to go with a replica Mugen set instead. I also picked up a new clutch master cylinder with a gasket from Honda. With the dash out of the way, the install was easy and everything looks super clean. In the next video, I'll have some footage of the Mugen pedal covers installed. For the air conditioning system, the aluminium hardlines were cleaned and clear coated to protect them from corrosion. The receiver dryer bracket was powder coated satin black, and the rubber lines were refreshed. And the compressor was cleaned up and painted metallic silver with a clear coat. The complete AC setup was sourced from Yahoo Japan. The unit was removed from a JDM EG5 SIR. These cars came factory with automatic climate control. The big difference is the heater tap. Our cars use a cable, while the JDM system uses a small motor under the heater box to control it automatically. It's a bit fiddly because there are extra sensors and wiring to add, but I've installed a couple of these on other cars, so it feels familiar. Everything was cleaned inside and out. Fresh foam was added to the heater box doors and foam tape was applied to seal everything properly. The metal shroud inside the blower motor, which often corrodes from condensation, was sandblasted and powder-coated metallic silver to prevent future rust. For the age of these parts, they've come up remarkably well, and the install was pretty straightforward. Next, I'll connect the battery and test the full loom to make sure everything works as it should. In the next video, I'll be installing more of the interior, the dashboard, sunroof and headliner, power folding mirrors, and the power windows.